Welcome to Udu's Organic DIY. Today we are diving into the world of natural hair care with a DIY recipe that will transform your hair routine. If you are ready to grow long, healthy hair and take control of your hair care journey, stay tuned. You won't want to miss this. So we'll be needing the following ingredients: petroleum jelly, paraffin oil, paraffin wax, menthol crystal, vitamin E oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil. Add the paraffin wax to the petroleum jelly and take to the heat and melt. I will list out the measurements of all the ingredients used somewhere at the end of this video. Now let's talk about the role of each ingredient in the formulation of our hair cream. Petroleum jelly acts as emollient and occlusive, sealing in moisture and protecting the hair from dryness. It provides a smooth texture to the cream and helps coat hair strands for shine and softness. It prevents moisture loss, especially for dry or damaged hair. Paraffin wax is a thickening agent that helps give the cream structure and some hold. Add a slight styling effect and ensure the cream is not too runny. When completely dissolved, add in your menthol crystal. Menthol crystal provides a cooling sensation and stimulates the scalp, improving blood circulation and promoting hair growth. Refreshes the scalp and soothes itchiness or irritation. When everything is well dissolved, add in your paraffin oil. Paraffin oil is a lightweight mineral oil that adds sleeps and helps detangle hair. It also enhances the spreadability of the cream. It hydrates hair and prevents frizz without feeling greasy. And next we go in with our coconut oil. Coconut oil is a deeply penetrating oil that helps moisturize, condition and straighten hair. It also prevents protein loss in hair strands, reduces hair breakage, adds shines and helps tame frizz. It's especially beneficial for dry, damaged or coiling hair. And next we go in with avocado oil. Avocado oil is a nourishing oil rich in vitamin A, D, E and fatty acid that deeply hydrates and strengthens hair. It reduces hair breakage, adds shine and protects overall hair health. And next we'll be adding to it vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is a natural antioxidant that protects the hair and scalp from free radical damage. It also extends the shelf life of the cream by preventing oil from becoming rancid. It improves hair elasticity and supports healthy hair growth. To give our hair cream a unique look, I'll be going in with a little amount of oil-soluble green color. Feel free to add your preferred color, although this step is totally optional. Finally, add about 5 drops of peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is a scalp stimulant with antimicrobial properties. It also enhances the cooling effect of the menthol. It promotes hair growth, reduces dandruff and leaves a refreshing scent. Stir it properly and transfer to your collecting containers. Leave it to solidify before covering. There you have it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this DIY natural hair cream help you on your journey to longer, healthier hair. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more natural hair care tips and DIY recipe. Leave a comment below if you have any question or want to share your result. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and keep growing your crown beautifully. Bye.